Very pleasant good morning to each and every soul watching this video. Myself Sanjay Kumar, I as a member of GDVM family wish you all a very happy Navratri. Students, these days we are facing a big crisis in all over the world, that is coronavirus. I pray to Ma Durga to avert this crisis from the world. In this difficult time, GDVM family is with you. We don't want our students' loss of study during this lockdown. So, today I am going to teach you a topic, and the topic name is tense. First of all, the question raises what the tense is. So, let me tell you what is tense. A particular definition of tense is a form of verb which shows time of action and degree of completeness. So what is tense? Tense is a form of verb which shows time of action and degree of completeness. First thing we can observe in this definition is time of action, and second thing is degree of completeness. So dear students, time of action. Time of action means when an action performs. We have three types of tenses. First one is present, second one is past, and the third is future. Suppose a student is in first class. Now it shows present. He was in UKG class. Then the action is in past. He will be in second class, so the action will be in future. A sentence is I take tea. This is the sentence I take tea. Next one is I took tea. Third one is I shall take tea. You can see these three sentences in front of you. So subject and object, they are same, but the formation of verb is changed. In the first sentence, the verb is take. In second one, the verb is took. In the third one, the verb is shall take. That's why I wrote tense is a form of verb. What is it? A form of verb. Take is first form of verb. Took is second form of verb. And here we have shall, which is FDW. What is FDW? FDW means future denoting word. We have two future denoting words. First one is will and second one is shall. So as you can see, in first sentence we have I take tea. So according to the rule, subject verb first plus object, the sentence is in present tense. Present tense, an action which is going on. I took tea. I took tea. Here we can see the second form of verb, which is took, subject V2 plus object. It shows the sentence in past tense. What is past? An action which was going on in past for some time. Third one is future. By FDW means future denoting word. We can see the sentence is in future tense. So here we have three types of tenses: present, past, and third one is future. Present means an action which is going on. Past, an action which was going on, and future, an action which will be going on. So present, past, and future. Present, past, and future, they all have four subparts. First one is indefinite. What we call first? Indefinite. We can call it simple also. Second one is continuous. We can call it progressive. Students, third one is perfect. Fourth one is perfect continuous. So as you can see, we have three main parts of tense: present, past, and future, and four subparts, that is indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Present, indefinite, present, continuous, present, perfect, and present, perfect, continuous. Similarly, past, indefinite, past, continuous, past, perfect, and past, perfect, continuous. Future, indefinite or simple future. Future, progressive or future continuous. Future, perfect or future perfect continuous. So according to these subparts, we have total 12 parts along with subparts of tenses. So today I am going to tell you about first tense, which is present indefinite tense or simple present. So let me tell you what the simple present or present indefinite is. Simple present tense or present indefinite tense. So firstly, the question raises why we call it indefinite. Why can't we call it present definite tense? Students, indefinite means which is not definite. Which is not definite. Okay. So in this tense, actual time of an action is not giving to us. We had an example before, and the example was I take tea. मैं चाय लेता हूँ और मैं चाय पीता हूँ. So I take tea. In this sentence, we know what the action is. The action is taking of a tea. Taking of tea. But we don't know about the actual time of an action. When an action performs. We don't know when he or she takes the tea. Do you know when I take tea? In the morning, maybe in evening, maybe in afternoon, maybe before sleeping, maybe before my awake. So actual time of an action is not given. That's why we call it indefinite tense. So formation of indefinite tense is subject, main verb and object. What the formation is? Subject, main verb and object. So according to some rules, we use s or es with the main verbs in sometimes. Suppose if our subject is third person and singular number, our subject third person and singular number, that is he, she, it or any singular. We use s or es with the main verb. If our subject is third person and singular number, he, she, it or any singular number, we use s or es with the main verb. Now students, there is a confusion where we use s, where we use es. Suppose if verbs ending by x, ch, double s, sh O S. We use es with the main verb. Like do. Here the verb do ends with the letter O. So es with the main verb, do plus es, which means does. Go, the verb ends by a letter O, so goes. Go is main verb and es with it. Mix, the verb ends by x, so mixes. Reach, reaches. What is the reason behind it? The reason is ch, because the main verb reach ends by the letters ch, so that we put es with the main verb reach. Miss is a verb, so I put misses, es with the main verb. Second rule is, if our subject is first person, second person, and third person plural number, we use V1 with subject. So we have some uses of present indefinite tense. Let me tell you first, before starting the uses of present indefinite tense, that the helping verbs are do and does. Does we use with singular number, where we use does with singular number, and with plural number or with first person or second person we use do. Like I, we, you, they, we use do. So uses are, first use is ly adverb. Ly adverb. Students, I have certain examples like usually, normally, generally, etc. If we find ly adverb in the sentence, we should put simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Examples are he normally sing a sweet song. So this is the sentence. Here we can find normally. What is normally? Normally is an adverb. It is an adverb. So we have to put present indefinite tense. In present indefinite tense, we have V1 or V1 plus S or ES. So what to put here? V1 plus S or ES. What? As we can see, here we have the subject and the subject is he. According to rule, if our subject is third person and singular number, that is he, she, it, or any singular, we use S or ES with the main verb. So here the main verb is sing. So we have to put S or ES with the main verb. So now there is another confusion. What we have to put? S or ES? Here is the solution. If our verb ending by X, CH, double S, SH, O, S, we have to put ES with the main verb. But the condition is the verb should end by X, CH, double S, SH, O, S letters. But as you can see, the verb is not ending by these letters. The verb is ending by G, which is not there. So what we have to put? We have to put S with it. So sings. He normally sings a sweet song. Another one is we usually are work honestly. So here the adverb is usually, but as we can see the verb is we. The subject is we. And according to another rule, if our subject is first person, second person and third person plural number, we use V1 with subject. Here we have the subject we, which is plural. So if we have plural number subject, what we have to put? Main verb, that is do. Second thing is we have certain adverbs, and the adverbs are often, always, never, seldom, every day. If we find these adverbs in our sentence, we must use present indefinite tense. Examples are: how often you go to cinema. How often you dash, in bracket we have go to cinema. What the adverb is? Adverb is often. So according to adverb, we must use present indefinite tense. Now according to you, we must use first form of verb, that is go. Another one is he never pay his fee on time. So another adverb is never, but The subject is he. So he never pays. According to the rule, he, she, or it, we use s or es with the main verb. Students, third point is, if a sentence starts from if or when, we must use present indefinite tense. Suppose example is, if she dash, in bracket we have get good marks, she will be rewarded. So as you can see, the sentence starts from if. So present indefinite tense is mandatory. So according to she, what we have to put? Beta, we have to put gets, s or es with the main verb. So that's all for today's topic. Tomorrow we will discuss some other rules or some other uses of present indefinite tense. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.